And there it is. So I got it completed in the last video. You'll see that I was getting that prepared. So I've just ripped off the blue tack now, and there it is. It's come up okay, so a lot of work to go still, but that's just a top coat spraying, and not much got damaged pulling off the blue tack. That's often where you can get some problems, because you know, little details can come up with it, but it's only really the tracks there that I've got to fix. There's some of the horns. But yeah, she's coming up good, and I'll spray on some German crosses. We'll just let it dry up first. Give it a day or two before we start really putting some oils on and painting up the details. But I've got to put on the Liebstandarte insignia there, but I'm going to paint that black, and I've got a little sort of see-through white one. And I've got to do another one on the back, just on this side here. So it's come up pretty good. It's not too bad. It's sort of what I was going for, was just, yeah, the going this way, sort of like a tiger, looking like a tiger. So I did a few different tricks and things I tried with the blue tack, and I'm starting to sort of work out how to use blue tack well as a mask for camo creation. But it's still not, you know, that great, you know, here, there, it's not that nice, but, you know, I will improve. But she's looking all right, the old dragon tiger, isn't it, with the Zimmer? It'll look even better when we can, you know, really highlight that, Zimmer it out and do all that. Not too bad. All right, I'm going to go and pick up my car from the service station and let this dry, and we'll keep working away. All right, I'll see you again soon.